Are you looking for an easy way to streamline compliance tracking in your business? In this quick guide, we're going to show you how to use Process.st for compliance tracking, helping you stay organized, compliant, and efficient. Stick around to learn some expert tips that will save you time and effort when it comes to managing your compliance processes. First, let's start with how Process.st works. It's a powerful process management tool designed to help you automate and organize workflows. But for compliance tracking, it's a game changer. By using Process.st, you can create templates that outline exactly what needs to happen at each step of your compliance process. You'll never have to worry about missing a step again. Creating your compliance tracking process starts with setting up a new template. You can design it to match your exact requirements, whether it's for audits, security checks, regulatory reviews, or any other compliance task. You'll add all the necessary steps, and each step can have checkboxes, due dates, and even approval processes built right into it. Once your template is set up, you can turn it into a workflow. When it's time to complete a task, you'll simply assign the workflow to the relevant team members. With the built-in due dates and task reminders, you ensure everyone stays on track and nothing falls through the cracks. Process.st helps you maintain visibility over all tasks, giving you an overview of progress without needing to constantly check in with your team. What makes Process.st so powerful for compliance tracking is its ability to integrate with other software tools you might already be using. For example, you can link it with your CRM or project management software to make the compliance process even smoother. This integration ensures all your systems are aligned, so you're never working in silos. Plus, with the easy-to-use drag-and-drop functionality, it takes minimal effort to connect everything and set up automations. Now let's talk about monitoring compliance. Process.st gives you a bird's-eye view of where each task stands with a simple and intuitive dashboard. You can see whether a task is pending, in progress, or completed, which makes it easy to track everything from start to finish. For compliance purposes, you can even attach documentation or notes to each step, so you have all the evidence you need in case of an audit. You can also use conditional logic to make your workflows smarter. With conditional logic, tasks will adapt based on previous answers, ensuring that only relevant steps are followed, saving time and reducing human error. This feature is especially useful in compliance tracking, where accuracy and attention to detail are critical. Finally, let's talk about reporting. Process.st makes it easy to generate reports that showcase your compliance efforts. Whether it's for internal audits or to show regulatory bodies that you're compliant, the reporting functionality pulls data from your workflows and presents it in a clear, digestible format. This can be incredibly helpful during compliance reviews. Remember, if you're just starting with Process.st, you can use it completely free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses that we've got for you. So, don't wait. Set up your compliance tracking process today and take advantage of the tools that will make your business more efficient and compliant. By using Process.st for compliance tracking, you'll be able to eliminate errors, save time, and stay ahead of regulatory changes. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Get started now and make compliance management a breeze. Be sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial of Process.st linked below. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.